Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your Columnar book for BIR. First, let's understand its purpose. This book is crucial for maintaining organized financial records, which is a key requirement for tax compliance. We'll cover identifying the essential columns you need and how to accurately record your daily business transactions. Getting this right from the start saves a lot of hassle later on. Now, let's dive into the daily entries. It's vital to record every sale, purchase, and expense in its designated column. Always ensure your entries are dated correctly and follow a sequential order to maintain clarity. Remember to keep separate columns for value-added tax, or VAT, and non-VAT transactions. This distinction is important for accurate tax reporting.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And speaking of staying organized, remember to stay hydrated while you're managing all those books. An Owala water bottle is perfect for keeping your water cool and accessible. You can find a link to the Owala bottle and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Once the month concludes, it's time to summarize and balance your book. You'll need to total all the columns to get your monthly figures. A critical step is verifying that your debits equal your credits. This ensures the accuracy of your records. Finally, prepare a concise monthly summary report, which will be essential for your Bureau of Internal Revenue submission. The final step involves preparing for submission to the Bureau of Internal Revenue. Consolidate your monthly summaries to prepare for quarterly filing. Make sure to attach all necessary supporting documents, such as official receipts and invoices, to your reports. Then, submit your completed Columnar book and all required forms to the BIR office. Proper submission is key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.